Hi there, this is Chris Alagar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I have the lechon. I'm going to eat my lechon, so check it out. So what are we waiting for? Let's get it on. This is the skin, the most delicious part. Ang sarap! So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell, like this garden video, you're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.